Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. It depends on the average kinetic energy of the molecules in a substance. The higher the kinetic energy, the higher the temperature. Temperature can vary widely on Earth, depending on the location, season, time of day, and weather conditions. In this video, I will discuss the highest and lowest temperatures ever recorded on Earth, and some of the factors that influence them. The highest temperature ever recorded on Earth was 136 Fahrenheit, 58 Celsius, in the Libyan desert on July 10, 1913. This record was measured at a weather station in Al-Azizia, which was later found to have some errors and inconsistencies. However, the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, has not officially invalidated this record yet. The second highest temperature ever recorded was 130 Fahrenheit, 54.4 Celsius, at Furnace Creek in Death Valley, California, United States, on July 9, 2021. This record was verified by a temporary thermometer set up by Campbell Scientific. Death Valley is one of the hottest places on Earth because it is a low-lying basin surrounded by mountains that block air circulation and trap heat. It also has very low humidity and vegetation, which reduce evaporation and cooling. The lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth was -126 Fahrenheit, -88 Celsius, at Vostok station in Antarctica on July 21, 1983. This record was measured by a Soviet team of scientists using a thermometer calibrated by the US National Bureau of Standards. Vostok station is one of the coldest places on Earth because it is located at a high altitude of about 3,488 meters, 11,444 feet, above sea level, near the center of the Antarctic ice sheet. The ice sheet reflects most of the solar radiation and prevents heat from escaping. The air is also very dry and thin, which reduces heat transfer by convection and radiation. The highest and lowest temperatures ever recorded in a laboratory are much more extreme than those found in nature. The highest temperature ever achieved in a laboratory was about 5.5 trillion Fahrenheit, 3 trillion Celsius, at the Large Hadron Collider in Switzerland in 2012. This temperature was created by smashing protons together at high speeds to create a plasma of quarks and gluons, the fundamental particles of matter. The lowest temperature ever achieved in a laboratory was about 38 trillionths of a degree above -273.15 Celsius, absolute zero, at the University of Bielefeld in Germany in 2021. This temperature was created by dropping magnetized gas down a tower to slow down its atoms to almost a standstill. Temperature is an important physical quantity that affects many aspects of life on Earth. It determines the state of matter, the rate of chemical reactions, the behavior of living organisms, and the climate of regions. Temperature is also a key indicator of energy transfer and transformation in natural and artificial systems. Understanding how temperature varies and what causes it to change can help us better appreciate and protect our environment. In conclusion, temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. It can vary widely on Earth, depending on various factors. The highest and lowest temperatures ever recorded on Earth were 136 Fahrenheit, 58 Celsius, in the Libyan desert and -126 Fahrenheit, -88 Celsius, at Vostok station in Antarctica, respectively. The highest and lowest temperatures ever achieved in a laboratory were about 5.5 trillion Fahrenheit, 3 trillion Celsius, at the Large Hadron Collider and about 38 trillionths of a degree above -273.15 Celsius, absolute zero, at the University of Bielefeld, respectively. Temperature is an important physical quantity that affects many aspects of life on Earth.